Welcome to the TechMesh channel, your gateway to a world of innovation, exploration, and everything tech. I'm Boateng Meshack, your host and guide on this exhilarating journey through the digital universe. Here at TechMesh, we're not just another tech channel. We're a passionate community of tech enthusiasts and curious minds, always hungry for the latest tech trends, software wizardry, and hardware marvels. Our mission? To bring you the most exciting, informative, and entertaining tech content you can find on the web. But TechMesh is more than just a channel. It's a vibrant tech ecosystem where we learn, share, and grow together. What can you expect when you hit that subscribe button? Well, let me tell you. In-depth product reviews that help you make informed tech choices. Step-by-step tutorials to master the latest software and gadgets. Thought-provoking discussions on the impact of technology on our lives. And of course, the occasional dose of tech humor that'll leave you lolling. We're committed to delivering fresh content regularly, so you'll always be in the know about the ever-evolving tech landscape. But it's not just about me. It's about us, the TechMesh community. I value your input, your questions, and your insights. Let's build this tech-savvy family together. So, if you're as passionate about tech as we are, if you thirst for knowledge and crave entertainment, then TechMesh is the place for you. Subscribe today